Hey guys, Mr. Polo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the SD Sangoku Soketsuden Diao Kshatriya. Alright, here is the box itself. This is basically the first female SD from the Sangoku Soketsuden line. I'm really surprised they actually chose Kshatriya as a female character as opposed to other female looking Gundams I've seen in female most and most in the whole Gundam universe. But yeah, I mean Kshatriya. I mean there is a reason why they choose Kshatriya. Which if you saw the Lupus and unboxing, basically you know why. These binders and her armor basically makes some gimmick with Sananju. So yeah, it's an unboxing, and it's a pretty small box though. I mean the two boxes I had were like really big, like the high size. This is like SD box was a little thicker than usual. Yeah, it's pretty heavy as well for a small kit. And it's so small, like I just realized as well. On the side here we have like, yeah, I can tell there's a lot of missing detail to fill in really. I think this is probably my favorite, not favorite, like the most unique kit in the line so far, because I think because she's a female, and it's really interesting that she's the female character for this line. I don't know. Yeah, basically, yeah, you just see a snake member, which is interesting. Basically, you can take our armor and combine it with Sananju to make like a nightingale, which is interesting. But yeah, there's some round, but yeah, again, you got the stuff, the website you can visit, and again, as I mentioned, price. I'll put a link, like annotation below, just to it's a in the box. Anyway, put the title below to the price in yen. Alright, that's in the box. Let's see what's inside. Come on. Here we go. Okay. Alright, that's in the box. First part, we got the sticker sheet. There's no borderline. That's weird. The clear parts, you don't get a lot of clear parts in this kit. See the visor, you got the memory card, I can't remember where it goes. That's her weapon, that's for sure. And the sticker sheet, yeah, I mean, it's not a lot, but you have to fill out this, that's for sure. The gold parts, for sure. Yeah, again, it's weird how Bandai has had switches from like a very deeper, darker gold to a brighter gold. Like, what's the deal? The E plate, which is all the white armor. And you get the F plate, which is the red, which is basically the binders on her. So you know, Kshatriya had 4 wing binders, and more parts. And the last bag, you've got the black, which is for her hair. I just realized, I didn't know that. And you got okay. This is a new totally new frame. It's not okay, this is the first kit to actually use a different frame. It's not labeled as A plate, but it's a B plate. So yeah, I mean it's HP2. So that's I guess this is special for the Kshatriya as of now, but that could change for later on. Yeah, and the hands are small as well. I just realized. I guess this is meant for the female characters, if I'm not mistaken. Small box and the mail. Yeah, she looks pretty cute from here, I guess. Yeah, Kshatriya, that's a really rich. Oh, and you get a little comic. That's nice, I guess. Spoilers. I guess I don't know if it's a spoiler or not. I don't know. Yep, and the usual stuff should be a Diao. So yeah, that's an unboxing. Got some damn. Anyway, that's an unboxing of the SD Diao Kshatriya. Yeah, again, I will put an annotation if this product does go on Black Label. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, so thanks for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.